Shri Gurubhyo Namaha children, welcome to our online teaching academy Ekalaiva. Standard 11th State Board, subject Business Mathematics, topic Analytical Geometry, exercise 3.6. In that question number 5 we are going to discuss today. The average variable cost of a monthly output of X tons of a firm producing a variable metal is rupees 1 by 5 x square minus 6x plus 100. Show that the variable cost curve is a parabola. Also find the output and the average cost at the vertex of the parabola. First, let x and y be the output and the average cost. Right? Two things they are asking. So, one we consider as x, another one we consider as y. Now, y equal to the given equation 1 by 5 into x square minus 6x plus 100. Right? See, the first term alone is a fraction. First you should make it as, you are going to take LCM and make it as a format numerator by denominator. How? X square, we are going to take 5 as a LCM, then use 5 and multiply by 6, you will get it as 30x plus 500, right? Then you have to cross multiply. We will get it as 5y equal to x square minus 30x plus 500. Now you come to the question, what they are asking? Parabola. Parabola means we had 4 format. One is y square equal to 4ax, y square equal to minus 4ax, x square equal to 4ay, x square equal to minus 4ay. Y square equal to 4ax I said, that is parabola open rightward. Y square equal to minus 4ax I said, that is parabola open leftward. X square equal to 4ay, that is parabola open upward. X square equal to minus 4ay, that is parabola open downward. What type of parabola we are going to get, that we will see. Right? Now you see 5y equal to x square minus 30x plus 500. X term alone you have to keep it in one side, y and the constant you shift to the another side. X square minus 30x equal to 500 minus, 5y minus 500. X term alone one side, y and the constant you shift it to the other side. Now the left hand side you are going to make it as a quadratic polynomial. What you are going to do? Quadratic polynomial. For that purpose you are going to use completing the square method. What it says, you are going to add one part and then subtract one part, means you will get it as a quadratic polynomial. At the same time the previous should not be disturbed. Got it children? How I am going to make it as a quadratic polynomial, you see. What is coefficient of x here? Minus 30. What is coefficient of x here? Minus 30. That you should divide by 2. First step. What do you want to do? You have to divide by 2. Then what can you get? Step 1. Coefficient of x divided by 2. That means what can you get? Minus 15. The second step, square of coefficient of x by 2 added and subtracted. Added and subtracted. Got it children? first step you are going to do, the coefficient of x should be divided by 2. The second step, the square of coefficient of x by 2 should be added and subtracted. If you are following two steps, the left hand side you are going to make it as a quadratic polynomial. At the same time, we should not disturb the previous. How I am going to get, you see, what is coefficient of x? I said minus 30. When you divide by 2, what can you get? Minus 15. You have to square, right? X by 2, which is equal to minus 30 by 2 minus 15. Minus 15, when you square, what can you get? 225. That should be added and subtracted, right? Which implies x square minus 30x plus 225 minus 225 equal to 5y minus 500. 5y minus 500. Got it, children? Now you can see plus 225 minus 225, when you subtract, you will move to the previous, that is x square minus 30x. Got it? Now, this alone you keep it here. This one you are going to shift to the opposite side. X square minus 30x plus 225 equal to 5y minus 500. The minus it become plus 225. Now the left hand side you arrived a quadratic polynomial. Now I am going to use the identity, right? What identity I can use? You see here, x minus 15 the whole square. That means a minus b the whole square. When you expand, you will move to the previous, that is a square x square plus b square plus 225 minus 2 into 15 into x minus 30x. Got it? Now here 5y minus 500 plus 225, that is minus 275. Minus 275. Here which is common? 5 is common. Then y minus 55. Here you see x minus 15 the whole square equal to y into, that is 5 into y minus 55. Now, where x minus 15 equal to capital X, y minus 55 equal to capital Y. That means x square equal to 5y. X square equal to 5y you got. What type of parabola you arrived? The parabola open upward. The parabola open upward. We proved the parabola curve, we got it as what we want to find the output and the average cost at the vertex of the parabola. That is the average cost. The average cost curve is a parabola. The average cost is a parabola with vertex, what? With vertex 15 and 55, right? With vertex 15 comma 55. That means we consider x, no, what it is? The output x, x is our output and y is our average cost. That means what is our output? Output is 15. What is our average cost? That is 55. Output equal to 15, output equal to 15, average cost equal to rupees 55. Both the things we arrived, right? We said it is a parabola and we got the result of output and the average cost. Got it, children? Question number 6. The profit rupees Y accumulated in thousands in X months is given by Y equal to minus X square plus 10X minus 15. Find the best time to end the project, right? See here, this one you are going to make it as a parabola format, right? Y equal to, first let Y be the profit in X months. Y be the profit in the X months. Now, Y equal to X square, that is minus X square plus 10X minus 15. Here also the same. You have to keep the X square terms alone in one side. The constant and the Y should be other side. See, X square minus 10X equal to minus Y minus 15. Again the left hand side, what I have discussed the previous sum, the same. The left hand side I am going to make it as a quadratic polynomial. For that purpose I am going to use two steps. Which are the two steps? I said, first step, coefficient of X should be divided by 2. The second step, square of the coefficient of X divided by 2 should be added and subtracted, right? What is the coefficient of X here? Minus 10. When you divide by 2, what can you get? Minus 5. When you square it, 25. So, you are going to add 25 and subtract 25. Now, X square minus 10X plus 25 minus 25 equal to minus Y minus 15. See here, I didn't disturb the previous, but I made it as a quadratic polynomial. Now you are going to combine these three alone. When I combine this, I can get an identity A minus B the whole square. This minus 25 you shift to the opposite side. Now X square minus 10X plus 25 equal to minus Y minus 15 plus 25, right? Now I said I am going to convert into the identity. That means X minus 5 the whole square, that is A square X square plus B square 25 minus 2AB, 2 into 5 into X minus 10X. Here you see minus Y minus 15, here what it is? 25 is there. So, plus 10. Now you see X minus 5 the whole square equal to minus Y, that is minus, you have to take it as common, minus 10. Now X square equal to minus Y. See, X square equal to minus 4AY, that means the parabola is open downward, where capital X equal to X minus 5, capital Y equal to Y minus 10, right? Y minus 10 I replaced by capital Y. What is our vertex? Vertex is 5, 10. What they are asking, you see, find the best time to end the project. Here what we consider as the month as X. So, the best time to end the project 5 months, right? Therefore, the best time to end the project in 5 months. right? X is our 5. X we consider as month, Y we consider as a profit, right? Here they are expecting only to find the best time to end the project. We got it as the best time to end the project in 5 months. Got it, children? To receive our online lesson, please press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest updates. Thank you, children.